Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to connect Porkbun domain to WordPress. So the first step is to map or add your domain to WordPress.com hosting account. After adding your domain to WordPress.com account, you may be prompted to allow an automatic connection to your domain. If so, you can choose the option, which will make this process a lot quicker. You just need to log into your Porkbun account when prompted by WordPress.com, and their system will handle the rest automatically. If you don't see that option, or if you just prefer to connect your domain manually instead. So after adding your domain, you'll see a menu with some more information about the process. Click the Start Setup button to continue. On the next screen, you will be asked to log into your DNS settings page at your domain registrar. In a new tab or window, log into your Porkbun account and navigate to the domain management page. Click the account on the top right corner and select Domain Management. On the domain management page, locate the domain you're connecting to WordPress and click Details button all the way to the right of the domain name. In the domain settings should appear, and look for the Name Servers option and click on the Edit icon. A menu will appear that allows you to edit your domain's name servers. Leave this window open for now and don't make any changes yet. Switch back to the tab or window with your WordPress.com account opened. Click on the I found the domain settings page button, and you'll be taken to another screen that shows a list of DNS name servers used by WordPress.com, and click Copy link to the right of the first listed server. Switch back to your tab or window with the Porkbun account opened, and you will still see the Edit Authoritative Name Servers menu from before. Erase all the name servers from the menu and paste the new name servers you just copied over from WordPress.com. Switch back to WordPress.com and repeat the process for all the name servers provided to you. Enter each one on a new line. Once you've copied them all over, then you should look something like this. After copying all of the name servers, click the Submit button on Porkbun. After a moment, the menu will close and you will see the name servers applied to your domain in the Details menu. Switch back over to WordPress.com one more time and click on the Verify Connection button. And that's it. It will typically take 24 to 48 hours to your website will be online. Thanks for watching.